So, hello students, let's talk about nucleophilic substitution reaction. What is nucleophilic substitution reaction? As you can see, nucleophilic मतलब nucleus loving. Now, what will be the charge on the nucleus? The charge on the nucleus is positive. So, who will love to the nucleus? Which carry the negative charge. So, the nucleophile will always carry the negative charge, right? So, nucleophilic substitution यानी a group or an atom which carry the negative charge will substitute a atom from a substrate, right, and the reaction will take place. How that will happen, let's see. Nucleophilic means nucleus loving. So nucleophilic substitution reaction, nucleophile क्या करेगा, एक ग्रुप को रिप्लेस कर देगा, सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देगा और खुद ऐड हो जाएगा. So in this way the substitution will take place. Now suppose this is RX, haloalkene. We are looking into the nucleophilic substitution reaction in haloalkene. So in haloalkene you can see the halogen is has the more electronegative, the electronegativity of halogen will be more as compared to carbon of alkyl group. So what will happen, the shared electron of this bond will be shift toward halogen atom, and in this way the negative charge, partial negative charge will be occupied by the halogen atom, and on the other side carbon of alkyl group will carry the partial positive charge where the nucleophile will attack. Now how it will take place, let's see. This is the substrate haloalkene, right, and since electronegativity is more of haloalkene compound or haloalkene atoms, so the bond share electrons will shift toward the halogen and will carry the partial negative charge. On the other hand, it will be partial positive charge. So nucleophile attack on the partial positive charge element, that is carbon of alkyl compound, right, and in that way it will form nucleophile or Nu here is nucleophile and X will remove. So X is leaving the substrate, that is why it is called leaving group. Okay, so X is halogen will leave and nucleophile will add. So it is nucleophile substitution reaction. Nucleophile इसको substitute कर देगा, right? How many types of nucleophilic substitution reactions are there? There are two types of nucleophilic substitution reaction depending upon the molecularity. Molecularity means number of substance take part in the chemical reaction. In SN1, the one molecules take part in the chemical reaction, and in SN2, two molecules take part in the chemical reaction. Now, what are the types of nucleophile? There are mainly two types of nucleophiles are there. One is monodentate. Mono मतलब आपको पता है one, and dentate मतलब one lone pair will be donated by the nucleophile and they will attach from the one side, right? Example OH minus, OR minus. Many examples are there. We will see later on. एंड एम्बीडाइटेड, मतलब होता है बाई मतलब टू, सो इसको बाईडेंटेड भी बोल सकते हैं आप या एम्बीडेंटेंट. ओके, तो एम्बीडेंटेंट का एग्जांपल है साइनाइड Cn माइनस और NO2 माइनस. यहाँ पे क्या होगा कि जो न्यूक्लियोफाइल है वो दो तरह से अटैच हो सकता है, ईदर फ्रॉम द कार्बन और फ्रॉम द नाइट्रोजन. हेयर ऑल्सो ईदर फ्रॉम द नाइट्रोजन और फ्रॉम द ऑक्सीजन. How it will, they will occupy this type of structure. Here you can see the carbon is having extra electron and carry the negative charge. So if it is attached from the carbon, the compound will be formed cyanide. Here you can see both are ready to give lone pair of electrons, right? If oxygen is attached, either it will attach from the oxygen or it will attach from the nitrogen. One question is there in your NCERT book. What is that question? Question is, when alkyl halide react with KCN, it form alkyl cyanide, whereas when silver cyanide react with alkyl halide, it form isocyanide. Why it is happened? Can you give the reason? It is because in KCN, you can see KCN is a ionic compound because potassium is a very reactive metal. So what will happen? This bond between the K and C, यानी potassium and carbon के बीच में जो bond होगा वो ionic nature का होगा, right? And it can be easily cleavage, यानी अलग हो जाएगा. And through the carbon, it will be attached from the alkyl group. Alkyl group से carbon क्या करेगा? Attach हो जाएगा. RC bond यानी carbon carbon bond will be more strong than carbon nitrogen bond, right? Whereas in the case of AgCl, AgCN के केस में क्या होता है कि the bond between Ag and C is covalent in nature. So what will happen? The nitrogen is ready to share the electron. So in that way, the nitrogen attach with the carbon, right? Nitrogen is attached with the carbon and form isocyanide. In case of KCN, the carbon is attached with the carbon of alkyl group. In the case of AgCN, the nitrogen will attach with the carbon of alkyl group. That is why we will see the different compounds, cyanide in the case of KCN and isocyanide in the case of AgCN. So let's talk about the types of nucleophile. So let's talk about how nucleophile react with haloalkenes. So there are different examples I have taken of monodentate or ambidentate ligands. So here first of all you can see the Rx is haloalkene. This is shifted toward this as it is more electronegative, right? Suppose here we have taken NaOH. This is monodentate, which will give one lone pair electron. So in NaOH, OH will be act as a nucleophile. So it will attack to the carbon of alkyl group and form ROH. And what is left? NaX. NaX will be formed. So alcohol we will get from this reaction. Similarly, in place of NaOH we can take water. In the water also H plus OH minus. The OH nucleophile will attack over the same in the same manner and will also form alcohol, and HX will be free. If we take NaOCH3, right? Here Na since more reactive metal, so it will carry the positive charge and over the oxygen will be negative charge. So this segment of this compound will act as nucleophile, right, and will attack on the carbon and attach with OCH3, ROCH3. So this will be the compound of ether. NaX will be formed. Another type of nucleophile you can see ammonia. In ammonia what will happen? The NH2 nucleophile will be formed and will attack over the carbon of alkyl group and amine will be formed. In another reaction you can see KCN, just now we have talked about. In KCN this bond is electrovalent bond or ionic bond. So here potassium will carry the positive charge and carbon of CN will carry the negative charge. So it will attach from the carbon of CN group. So it will form cyanide compound and KX will be free. Here on the other side you can see when it react with AgCN. AgCN is covalent bond, right? So what will happen? The nitrogen is ready to give its lone pair of electron. So this will attack over here and what will happen? RNC will be formed. RNC, NC is the for isocyanide. AgX will be removed. In the next example, you can see KNO2 is there. KNO2 is there, and how it is attached with each other, this is shown over here. So K will remove from here with the KX, right, and oxygen will carry the positive and potassium will carry the negative, and from here it will attach with the R group. So RONO2, yani alkyl nitride will be formed. On the other hand, if we take LiAlH4, in presence of LiAlH4 we will get H minus ions. These H minus ions will act as a nucleophile and attach with R group and form alkene compound. This is alkene compound. In the next reaction, you can see this is Grignard reagent. What is it? Grignard reagent. So in Grignard reagent, what will happen? This R will act as a negative, and Mg, since its electronegativity is very less, so it will carry the positive charge. So what will happen? This R will attack over here and attach with R, and R dash will be formed. R and R dash will be formed. This is also an alkane. So in this way, alkane will be obtained in this reaction. In the next reaction, silver nitride. Silver nitride, silver will carry the positive one, and NO2 nitrogen will carry the negative and act as a nucleophile. So it will attach with the R group and form RNO2, which is called nitroalkane, and AgX will be free. So in this way, how nucleophile react, different type of nucleophile reaction is there, and what the product we will get alcohol, ether, amine, cyanide, isocyanide, alkene, nitroalkene. So different types of product we get from the reaction of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now we will look into the SN1 and SN2 reaction in the next.